Assalamualaikum students, how are you all? Students, open your modern English book, page number 38. On this page, the topic is phonic practice. Students, yesterday we have done phonic practice of words having sound of DGE and TLE. Today we will do phonic practice of words having sound of G. Revise with me. Firstly, look at this video.
Letter G has two sounds. One is soft as J, the other one is hard as G. Rules for soft G. Soft G sounds J, like the letter J. And the rules for soft and hard G's are exactly similar to the rules of soft and hard C's. Let's look at them. Soft G sounds J only when the letter G followed by E, G followed by I, G followed by Y. GE, GI, GY makes the letter G sound soft as J. Now let's practice with some examples. Giraffe. In the word giraffe, the letter G sounds J as it is followed by the letter I. Giraffe. Gem. In the word gem, the letter G sounds J as it is followed by the letter E. Gem. Gym. In the word gym, the letter G sounds J as it is followed by the letter Y. Gym. Let's practice more. GE words. Cage. Germ. Danger. Now rules for hard G. Hard G sounds like G, like the letter G, and hard G sound is used most often. G sounds G only when it is followed by any other letters other than E, I, and Y. Letter G sounds G when it is followed by any other letters other than E, I, and Y. Now let's practice with some examples. Goat. In the word goat, the letter G sounds G as it is followed by the letter O, not E, I, and Y. G, goat. Garden. In garden, the letter G sounds G as it is followed by the letter A, not E, I, and Y. G, garden. Gum. In the word gum, the letter G sounds G as it is followed by the letter U, not E, I, and Y. G, gum. Let's practice more. Gap. Gas. Game. Garden. Glue. Glass. Gum. Good. Goal.
Let's start reading with me. Firstly, we will revise previous lesson. DGE makes a sound of letter J and TLE makes a sound TL. Look at the first one. SLUDGE sludge. SLUDGE sludge. BRIDGE bridge. BUDGE budge. WEDGE wedge. BADGE badge. Look at the next one. SETTLE settle. BATTLE battle. CATTLE kettle. BOTTLE bottle. STARTLE startle. Revise with me once again. Sludge, bridge, budge, wedge, badge, settle, battle, kettle, bottle, startle. Okay students, now let's start today's lesson. G. G has two sounds, soft sound and hard sound. Short sound of G is J and hard sound is G. Look at the first one. R-A-G, rag. R-A-G, rag. Students, it has hard sound of G. R has a sound R. A has a sound A. G has a sound G. Rag. R-A-G, rag. W has a sound V. A has a sound A. And G has a sound G. Wag. W-A-G, wag. The next one is sag. S has a sound S. A has a sound A. And G has a sound G. Sag. S-A-G, sag. The next one is stag. S has a sound S. T has a sound T. A has a sound A. And G has a sound G. Stag. The next one is bag. B has a sound B. A has a sound A. And G has a sound G. Bag. B-A-G, bag. B-A-G, bag. Look at the next one. These are words with soft sound of G. R has a sound R. A has a sound A. G-E makes a sound G. Rage. R-A-G. Rage. R-A-G-E. Rage. The next one is wage. W has a sound V. A has a sound A. G-E makes a sound G. Wage. W-A-G-E. Wage. The next one is S has a sound S. A has a sound A. G-E makes a sound G. Sage. S-A-G-E. Sage. S-A-G-E. Sage. The next one is stage. S has a sound S. T has a sound T. A has a sound A. G-E makes a sound G. Stage. S-T-A-G-E. Stage. S-T-A-G-E. Stage. The next one is baggage. B has a sound B. A has a sound A. Double G makes a sound G. A has a sound A. G-E makes a sound G. Baggage. B-A-G-G-A-G-E. Baggage. B-A-G-G-A-G-E. Baggage. Okay students, revise with me. The first one is rag. R has a sound R. A has a sound A. And G has a sound G. Rag. R-A-G. Rag. The next one is wag. W has a sound V. A has a sound A. G has a sound G. Wag. W-A-G. Wag. The next one is S has a sound S. A has a sound A. And G has a sound G. Sag. S-A-G. Sag. The next one is stag. S has a sound S. T has a sound T. A has a sound A. G has a sound G. Stag. S-T-A-G. Stag. The next one is bag. B has a sound B. A has a sound A. G has a sound G. Bag. B-A-G. Bag. Look at the next one. R has a sound R. A has a sound A. G-E makes a sound G. Rage. R-A-G-E. Rage. Look at the next one. W has a sound V. A has a sound A. G-E makes a sound G. Wage. W-A-G-E. Wage. Look at the next one. S has a sound S. A has a sound A. G-E makes a sound G. Sage. S-A-G-E. Sage. Look at the next one students. S has a sound S. T has a sound T. A has a sound A. G-E makes a sound G. Stage. S-T-A-G-E. Stage. B has a sound B. A has a sound A. Double G makes a sound G. A has a sound A. G-E makes a sound G. Baggage. B-A-G-G-A-G-E. Baggage. Revise with me once again. R-A-G. Rag. W-A-G. Wag. S-A-G. Sag. S-T-A-G. Stag. B-A-G. Bag. R-A-G-E. Rage. W-A-G-E. Wage. S-A-G-E. Sage. S-T-A-G-E. Stage. B-A-G-G-A-G-E. Baggage. Revise with me once again students. Rag, wag, sag, stag, bag, rage, wage, sage, stage and baggage. Okay student, Revise this lesson many times at your home. Allah Hafiz.